Charge your PS5 controller in less than 2 hours using the DualSense charging dock by OIVO Games. I was lucky enough to get a PS5 on release day, but I was not lucky enough to snag one of the DualSense chargers. And recently OIVO Games reached out to me and sent me a charger for review that did make me feel cool. And, they sent me this free, but I don't have any restrictions on what I can say. So everything I'm about to say is totally 100% my opinion. Now, for those who have a PS5 or plan to get one soon when they come back in stock, rather than get the Sony DualSense controller charger, save your 10 bucks, get this one instead. Real talk, the value that you get here for 20 bucks is pretty awesome. In the box, you'll get the charging dock itself and you'll get a USB-C cable. And with this charger, you still get that PS5 aesthetic that you get with the DualSense charger that Sony makes. And one of the key differences here, aside from that, is that the black part here is matte instead of like a shiny black on the Sony licensed charger. And unlike other chargers in its price range, this thing actually has a very solid build quality. And on the bottom here, you do have rubber feet for the charger to give you grip, whether it's on your desk like I have it or on your TV stand. Docking the controller is as easy as setting it in place, and the controller will of course let you know it's been plugged in with the yellow orangish light that glows whenever you plug it into the dock. What I love about this charger, unlike Sony's charger, is it has an LED indicator letting you know if the controller is fully charged or not. And along with those LEDs, there is also like a blue accent LED light along the sides of the charger. If you look on the back, there is a switch back here that allows you to turn on or off those LED lights if you don't want those glowing in a dark room. So thanks OIVO Games for sending me this for 20 bucks. I definitely recommend it. And if you're watching this on YouTube as opposed to Instagram, I do have a link in the description where you can get you one of these yourself. And that's my brief review on the OIVO Games DualSense docking station. Until next time.